Now I will discuss about the minimum marks required to get category 1, category 2, 3, 4, 5 for every type of campus of VIT University. So first of all, VIT AP marks versus branch. Here is the information for CSE 36 for category 1, category 2 26, category 3 14 marks, category 4 5 you can get at any marks because that are very less demandable. And for CSE specialization 27 15, that is for category 1 and category 2 3 4 5 you can get at any marks. And if you think 36 marks is easy to get, I would like to inform you it is not easy. Particularly from last year they have increased the level of the examination. So now if we talk about for EC 22 and 7 marks is required, and for other you can get at 7 marks or at 0 or 5 marks also, because that are very less demandable, particularly in VIT AP. Now if you talk about VIT Chennai, here is the information. That is for CSE 70, 58, 45, 33, 25. That is for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Please try to listen my word. It is for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Now I would like to inform you about the category system. If you score better marks, you will get better category. That is, better category means 1, worst category means 5. If you go for category 5, you will have to pay the fee of 5 lakh. If you go for category 1, it is only 2 lakh. And detailed category wise fee structure, placement, everything you will be getting in the same channel. So please try to subscribe the channel. Now if you talk about for CSE specialization 60, 50, 35, 26, 20 marks is required. It is for category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Now if you talk about for EC 45, 35, 25, 20 and 15 marks. That is up to category 5, and for other 32, 22, 12, 5 or at any marks you can get the lower branch with category 4, 5. And now if you talk about the VIT counseling process, it is very unique counseling. If you talk about the counseling process in other examination, it is round wise, but here they will conduct phase wise. Phase 1 will be having up to 20,000 students. If you miss, even if your rank is 1000 or 2000, you will miss the chance to join the VIT. And also there will be only one chance. If you will do mistake, there will be only one thing to do, that is regret. That's why I will be there to help you for each type of process, that is in the counseling process of VIT, to get the best out of your result, so that you will not miss the chance to join VIT with best category. Because if you do better counseling, you will get two things. First is to get the best category, so that you will save your parents fee, that is for academic fee, and also you will get the better branch. So both thing depends on the counseling process. So and now let's talk about the VIT Bhopal cutoff. For CSE 35, 25, 30, sorry, at any marks you can get the category 4, 5. For CSE specialization it is 25 and 12, and for EC 20 and 9, for other at 9 marks also possible. That's why VIT examination is for every type of a student, no matter if you are a topper or average student or below average student, because it will provide you the college at very low marks also. You have to pay a little bit more fee. Now if we talk about VIT Vellore, that is the main campus. So here is the information for CSE 104, 94, 62, 49, 39. That is for category 1, 104, category 5 it is 39 marks only. Now if you talk about CSE specialization, it is upper specialization, means the most demandable specialization, because there is 8 specialization available in VIT Vellore of CSE branch. So upper specialization, there are data science, IoT, these are most demandable. So you will be getting at 97, 87, 55, 41, 34 marks, that is from category 1 up to category 5. For CSE, a specialization lower means less demandable, then 85, 61, 42, 37, 27, that is for category 1 up to category 5. And for EC 75, 55, 36, 31, 25. Up to category 2 people can take, but up to after category 2 most of the student can't pay the huge amount of fee. That's why category 3, 4, 5 is available at low marks as well. For triple E 45, 38, 31, 25, 12 marks is required. That is for category 1 up to category 5. For civil 38, 32, 23, 14 and 8 marks is required. And for mechanical 40, 34, 25, 17 and 9. And for lower, that is the minimum marks requirement, that is the branch that will require less marks, will be available at 32, 26, 16 and 7 marks as